Yes, I'm Roman, and today I will do the try not to laugh challenge with AI. Let's go.
Why did the teacher become a baker? Because he needed the dough. Haha.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. How do you organize a space party? You plan it. What do you call fake spaghetti? An impasta. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. What did one wall say to the other wall? I'll meet you at the corner. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? It was too tired. Hope you're still holding on.
Yeah, that wasn't too funny. Can it be funnier, like extremely funny? Go ahead.
Why don't oysters donate to charity? Because they're shellfish. What do you call a magic dog? A labracadabrador. Why did the coffee file a police report? It got mugged. What did the grape do when it got stepped on? Nothing. It just let out a little whine. Why can't you give Elsa a balloon? Because she'll let it go. What do you call a fish with no eyes? Shh. Why was the math book sad? It had too many problems. Hope these hit the mark.
Oh, that was interesting, but it didn't make me laugh. I think I maybe had a slight smirk or chuckle somewhere, but wasn't that funny. So I suppose AI cannot make me laugh. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.